Hey guys, this is our third mini hike or a walk. We are here at the in English is Old Saints, so I'm not even.
Allerheiligen.
Whoa, that's a full mouthful. So yeah, we are to Allerheiligen, and make sure. So when you're coming by, if you're coming by car, there are actually two parkings that are stopping at the entrance of the ecological site. And then further down the road you have from both sides of the highway that you can leave and park the car. This side here usually is full, but we came in the afternoon and we had a luck that the guy that we just arrived and he just left, so we had a luck to park. Yeah, so from here we are going upwards somewhere, and yeah, let's explore. Heidemark, lead the way. Woo! Hi there, little hiker. Yeah. So I don't know if you can hear me, but we just finished the Old Saints trail to the waterfall, which is super amazing place, and I totally recommend it, especially for landscape photographers, because there is so much things to shoot here, and it's simply amazing. The trail is super easy. I think it's 1 kilometer from the chapel, so it's easily managed. Just there is a part before you reach this area and this bridge where I'm at. That is with steep stairs. So yeah, those with bad knee problem or leg problems, I don't recommend it. But also I think that from this end you can end up at another parking lot from where it's closer even to get to the waterfall. So if you don't want to visit the chapel, just the waterfall, park just further like 200 meters down that path and you are here. Guys, thank you for watching. We are putting videos like crazy, so see you in the next one. Peace.